In this video, I will show you how you can generate the unlimited leads automatically using the tool called Claude Co-Work. Yes, it's a normal Claude tool, but with a new functionality called Co-Work. And with this, you can generate unlimited leads for your business automatically. You don't need to do anything. Simply done one prompt that I gave you. That is work on the premium prompt. And if you use that, you will generate the high quality qualified leads. Let me show you. So these are the leads that I generated. I asked Claude Co-Work to generate me the leads for the AI automation service business that sell the AI automation service to the SaaS business or the agencies that have the lot of different tools and they have the automation issues. So you can see it generated me the list of the different companies, what kind of companies they are, okay, and where they are located, what is their team size, who's the decision maker in that company, okay, and then what tools they are using. Like this is really important part. You see like how it qualified them. If they are not using the different tools, like they are not the right prospect, right company for me. So they check like if any company who's using multiple tools and they find out this AI find out those people for me and then why they qualify. So this one like use 11 separate tools with manual integrations, Zapier connecting everything in fragile automations, runs growth experience in Google Sheets manually, right? You see like they are doing such things manually. Okay, connect heavy operations within X HubSpot. So they are like that's why the ideal lead for me. Okay, for this. So now similarly to this, and it also gave me the outreach angle, like how I can outreach those people, right? What should be the angle when I outreach them? And not only that, I will also show you how you can do the same for your business, how you can generate unlimited leads for your business automatically with the help of Claude Cowork, and also how we can automatically outreach them. All right, let's see this video. By the way, if you new to this channel, subscribe to this channel because I make the content about the AI and the automations and how you can use AI to grow your business. Okay, let's jump into the video again. So the problem like most people not able to generate the high quality leads because they don't focus on their ideal customer profile, right? They don't know either, or when they generate the leads, they or just go on some tools like Apollo or the LinkedIn and copy some leads from there without thinking they are the ideal customer profile or not, or they don't know like their intent signals or their pain point is matching or not. Without this, you can't actually generate the high quality leads. So, what is the high quality premium qualified leads actually is? First of all, it should match your ideal customer profile. If they're not matching your ideal customer profile, if they don't have the exact ideal customer profile that you wanted to serve, right, who will buy from you, then it's really hard for you to sell them after you generate the leads. So, this first point is very important. Second, what is their intent signal? What kind of behavior they are doing online that show you that they are actually ready to buy or they can purchase from you, right? You need to understand their intent signals as well. Okay. Then, yeah, what kind of pain point they are showing? Now, if you are going out there, let's say if I am looking for the agencies, right, who I wanted to sell the AI automation service, and if I just go and download the list of every marketing agency or the any kind of agency out there, without thinking if they have the pain point or not, right? They need my service or not, then it's not used to download the list of, even though I have 10,000 email list, right? 10,000 list of the prospect. It's not useful for me if they don't have this pain point. Okay. So this is you need to understand as well. And I will show you how you can do that with the help of Claude Cowork. And then the another thing is like decision maker access. If you are running, this one is for the B2B. So if you are running the B2B business, right, where you sell the service to the business or the product to the another business, then you need to access the decision maker, not the any and other random person in the company, because then you can't sell. So how you find that? All of this, let me show you. So I already created a prompt for you here that I am using for myself, and you can copy this prompt simply. So over here you can see what I wrote in this prompt. If you are B2C, then you can simply change here B2C. But I am telling you about the just same for the B2B and for the B2C. So here I'll say you are an elite B2B lead generation strategist and research analyst with deep expertise in identifying high intent premium prospect across an industry. Okay. And today your job is not to immediately search for the leads because that's what we not want. First, we want to understand. Instead, you will first act as a strategic consultant and interview me to deeply understand my business, my ideal customer, and what premium actually means in my specific context. So even though you already have those answers, like you have know about your ideal customer profile, I suggest you when you use this prompt, tell AI properly about your ideal customer profile and everything that I will show you here, so that it knows exactly what you want, what you're looking for, and who can be your actual high quality lead for your business. Then AI can give you the best results. So most people waste time chasing on the wrong lead because they never properly define who they're looking for. So you will make sure that does not happen here. So now what happened? We had different phases. Okay, four phase. So phase one, it start asking you some questions. Okay, like it have we have multiple section here. So first it will ask you about your business. What you sell, who do you sell to? What is specific result or transformation you deliver? And what makes you different from others? Then your ideal client, who is that? Your single best client ever, what kind of business they were in, what size of the company they were, where were they located. Okay, you have to reply those. You need to know as well first. Who is the actual person you need to get in front of, their job title, their role in company. So then their pain point, what kind of problem they have, what is their number one problem, what usually happens in your business right before, in their business right before they decide to buy something like this. Okay, are there any recent life or business event that makes someone a perfect prospect? Okay, then what is the buying signals, online behavior? Okay, where do your ideal client hang out? Okay, what kind of content do they engage? Have you noticed any pattern in the client who converted faster for you? So you need to tell all of these things to the AI so that it can generate the result for you in the best possible way. Okay, because AI do the thinking for you, AI do the researching for you. But if they don't have the actual context, it's really hard for it to generate the high quality premium leads that you can close faster. Now, phase two, it will confirm, it will give you the confirmation by generating the summary of whatever you tell it. Okay. Then it will highlight 3 to 5 intent buying signals and flag any gaps if there is any, and tell you exactly what it about to research for. Okay. And then after that, it will do the actual research and deliver you what you want. Now, here is a list of the deliverables that we are expecting for, but you can change it according to your needs. So I put here company name, website, LinkedIn profile, URL, why they are a strong match, the likely pain point, and personalized first line opener. You can add few more things like their name, email, and you can change some of these points if this does not actually match with your, and you can add another point. So whatever you need in the deliverables in the lead list, in the output that it generate. So here for me, there's like these are the different columns that it generated as a result. You may need different columns. Just tell it what you want, okay? So it can generate that for you. And after that, it will give you a strategic dev brief. So top three patterns you notice across these leads: the single highest priority lead, 2, 3 outreach angles, and any untapped audience segments. Now, what we do after this? First, we use this prompt, generate the leads for us, and then we ask Claude, right, to do the outreach for us as well. And I will tell you how you can do that. Okay. So first, copy this whole prompt, go to the Claude Co-Work, okay, open a new chat and paste this prompt here. Okay. I'm using the Sonnet 4.6 over here. You can choose Opus as well. Opus did much better work as well. Like Sonnet is also almost same, right? The only difference is like Sonnet contains less tokens and Opus 4.6 contains much higher tokens. And in this case, we don't need Opus to spend that much tokens here. Okay. So I am going with the Sonnet 4.6. So now when it run this prompt, it will ask me certain questions. But to speed it up and save our time, I already have the answers written. So I can simply copy and paste here and we can move forward with that. So if you go in this prompt, I have my answers written here for each of these sections. So I'm going to copy this. And when it asks me the questions, okay, so it tell me here's before what we are going to do together. Before I go out and hunt for leads, we are going to slow down for a moment and get razor sharp clarity on exactly who you are looking for. So it is giving me this. I'll simply pasting. Here are the answers for all your future, for your current and future questions, and enter. Now, with this, it will save us time and then we can see the result faster, right? You need to answer those one by one, or if you already have the answers ready, because you have this prompt, so you can check those answers, get it ready first and give it at once if you have the answers ready. If not, you can simply like sit with the Claude and answer them one by one. It's totally up to you. Now it is like giving me the signal. Okay. So this is one of the clearest brief. You know your client. Let me reflect everything back to you before we go hunting. Okay. So it is now reflecting back everything. And now, so does this strategy match what you're looking for? After it give you the answer, just make sure you check this whole answer because it is giving you the strategy on how it is going to act now. Okay. Who is going to do the research for, what kind of people it will looking for. So just make sure you read it completely, the answer it gave you, and then tell it like what you want. You want to do any kind of change in the research strategy, or you are satisfied and wanted to go further. So I will say it sounds good. Let's go ahead and find first 10 leads. You can put the numbers 20, 30 leads, 40 leads. I am starting with the 10 leads. We see the results and then we increase the numbers. Okay. So I simply give it, it sounds good. Let's go ahead and find first 10 leads. Okay. And now it will do the research. It will go on the internet, doing the research, find the list. And I will also tell you what is another best way you can also do to take this whole thing further to the next level. Just in this video, I will tell you that strategy as well. So you can see it started hunting across multiple angles simultaneously, and that is really cool point. And you can also see now its whole step-by-step process, what it going to do. So first, you can see the progress here. Searching for the coaching consulting founder, signaling optional pain. You can see here, right? Then it is searching for the digital marketing agency owners, hiring BA and the ops manager. So it already lists down like how it's going to do the research. Then after that, it will do the research for the online business owner, posting about the burnout and the automation, and then compile and verify 10 leads with personalized openers. So it already lists down like how it is going to do everything. And let me also show you something else. So it is doing this research here, and you can see like how much it did the research for. It checked all those articles or those things on the LinkedIn that is already there. Right now, it is like searching on the web. Okay, so it is doing like it go on the internet, check out any articles, anything that it can found, any kind of post it can found, and do all the research. So now it is working on that, working on the first step. Once the first step is done, it will go to the step 2. Once that is done, it will go to the step 3 and then step 4. Okay, I suggest you use a Sonnet 4.6 because that is faster and also will save you a lot of on the tokens, because if you use Opus 4.6 model, it will consume a lot of tokens and will take a lot of time as well. And how we can actually save time for the AI? If you give it actually detailed description of what you want, just like we did here. We give it everything what we are looking for. Who is our ideal audience? What is their pain point? Right? What they do, what they don't do, right? What we sell. So once it have those all the important details, the result comes better and also it works faster, because it don't have to think of himself like who can be your ideal prospect, because now it knows. Now it is already working on that. You see how much articles it already checked. Okay, you can see over here marketing agency owner, hiring operations, like it is checking those things as well. So and look at this point, I found some potential leads already. Let me now search for more specific individuals who are founder, CEO in coaching, consulting, and digital marketing, who are publicly signaling they need automation help. Let me look more specifically for individual profiles. Now you might think like if they are looking for the on public in that format, maybe like it can't found the leads after specific point. That's not true, because there are like thousands and thousands of people out there, right? It never end. So you will never gonna be like low on the leads if you run this prompt properly. Okay. So now it is checking on all these tools, consulting agency, owner, founder, N10 on me.com or go high level or automations. So this is they are using these terms to figure out some more people. Okay. So I'm getting good context, but now specific individual leads it. So it already doing all this research. Okay. Let me search for specific individuals. Now it's searching for that. So LinkedIn posts are largely not indexed by public search engines. Let me try different search approaches. So you see how it done? It first check on the LinkedIn, but it could not find many on the LinkedIn post because it's not publicly available on the search engine. So it is trying different approach all by itself. And that's the power of the Claude Co-Work. So if I go over here, Claude Co-Work is really powerful here because it do all kind of research for you automatically. You don't need to tell it. It take the actions for you. It go on the browser, do the search, figure out what is best for you, and if certain thing don't work, it figure another way. If certain another thing don't work, it make the third way, and it makes sure like it get the result that you are looking for. So here it is done with that. So let me take out look at a specific niche and find real individual in this sense. So let me try a more target approach to find a specific individual prospect. So now it is searching on that. So let it do the work and we check after this whole process is completed. Okay. What you can see over here, it is already done these two things. Now it is working on the last one, but it hit the task limit. So basically this happen if this happen with you, it may be because of two reasons. Either you are using a model which requires a lot of prompts, lot of tokens. So we were using the Sonnet 4.6. It actually also needed so much tokens. So what we can do next time, we can go on the little different model, which is like Haiku 4.5 and try it out. Well, we try it again, we complete the rest after the token reset and then we see the output. And what you can do apart from that, like about the thing that I promised, like how you can take this whole research, finding the best leads to the next level, is it helped with connect with a lot of different connectors. Click on the plus and connectors and manage connector. Over here, search for browse connector. And here you can search for the tools like Apollo, right? Or Clay. So when you connect with these two, it will give you the huge database of the contacts of different business owners, different industries, different contacts, different people from different countries. Once you have those list of data, you can simply use the Claude to do the research on those particular data. And because it gave the access of the huge list of database, it can find you the best people from that very easily, right? Right now, what Cloud Cowork is doing, it is finding the people on the Google search through whatever strategy it can do. And that's why it is also consuming so much tokens because it have to first search, do all kind of research possible, right? But if you connect with these tools, it will automatically ease out everything. It will consume less tokens and it will give you the much bigger list of the prospect and the highly qualified prospect with that search. So I hope you understand and you find this. Once this tokens will revive, I will complete this search and then we see the results. And then I will tell you how you can automatically outreach as well to. So here our leads and lead list is ready and high quality lead list. So let's see that. So as you can see over here, it gives us the complete list of 10 high quality leads. So name and company we have over here, the website that we asked for, the LinkedIn URL, and why they match. So I also asked them the reason. I also asked Claude Cowork to give me the reason why they think it is the quality lead, the right lead. So here you can see it helps 6 to 8 figure CEO remove the bottleneck, run CEO growth accelerator, one-on-one programs. It means they have the money, they have like big people, big company, right? LinkedIn top voice, 20 plus year experience, 173 clients across 9 industry. So it means they have like those all the things. Okay. And current pain point, what's their pain point? Running multiple coaching programs with manual client onboarding, nurture and follow up, likely spending 10 to 15 hours per week on workflow so that we can automate, right? So as you can see, it gives me not only the list, but also the right list, the a potential, highly potential lead, highly qualified lead. So I'm not just randomly going to reach out to anyone over here. I'm going to reach out only those business owners who actually need my help, who have the kind of pain point that I can solve with my service. So as you can see, right, when you do that, right, when you get the kind of the list, you're not only going to reach out to some random people with you don't know if they have the need of your service or not. You're going to reach out to the people who really need your service, who can afford your service or the product, and who can pay you for that. And that will add the value in their life or their business. So you can see I got the list of the lot of people over here, and now I can simply outreach them. Now, as I told you, how you can automatically outreach, right? Instead of like you do it manually, what's the way? Let me show you. Click on the plus icon over here and click on the connectors. So you can see the Gmail. So click on manage connector and connect your Gmail account over here. Now, what will happen once you connect your Gmail account? Instead of like you go and manually outreach anyone one by one yourself, you can simply ask AI over here that help me to send a highly personalized outreach email to these leads and write the email that convert these leads into customers. Now you can give it a more description based on like how you are actually expecting the outreach emails should be, and make sure to give it the specific details like the your landing page URL or your results URL or your testimonials in that email, so it will build more credibility when it reach out for you. And once you do that, simply say use my Gmail and send them the outreach email one by one. So now what it will do the, so you already have the leads, right? The high quality leads, you already have everything. Now it need to write the email. So based on each candidate, each prospect, it will write the unique email for each person, and then it will send out the email from your Gmail account automatically to all of those people. So in that way, you don't need to do any kind of outreach. It will do the outreach for you, will send out the emails for you. So this is the whole process. I hope you like this video and you like this process of doing the unlimited, generating unlimited leads and generating the unlimited clients from this process automatically. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will make more videos about the AI and the automations and tell you how it can help you to grow your channel, grow your business, grow your make you more productive and get you ahead from your competitors. All right. So I will see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.